Kung akala mo ang tablet is just a giant size na smartphone, pues ang Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025 is going to change your mind. Tara, samahan nyo ako, unbox natin, pakita ko sa inyo pati mga freebies. So if you order the Huawei MatePad 11.5, this is what you're going to get. The tablet itself, a smart keyboard, and a Huawei na M Pencil. Ito, dalawang freebies na ito is worth 14,000 pesos, guys. Sobrang sulit. Tara, unbox natin. So inside the box, you're going to get a microfiber cloth, a Huawei supercharged charging brick, and a Type A to Type C cable. And syempre, we're going to get this one, the Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025. Ito kanyang camera module. Ito yung pang-connect sa kanyang keyboard. We have 2 speakers sa ilalim, and another 2 speakers sa ibabaw. And volume rocker nandito. Samantalang kanyang power button is here. Ito yung kanyang paper matte display, so anti-reflective and anti-glare. Kita nyo guys, oh. Ganito yung itsura ng kanyang M Pencil. And ito naman itsura ng kanyang keyboard. Looks nice. So meron ka ng pen, may keyboard ka na. Plus meron ka pang tablet na PC level experience. Buong-buo ang experience mo. Para kang gumagamit lang ng desktop. It's even more convenient than using Microsoft Office. And this is yung kanyang paper matte technology. Feels like real paper, walang glare, walang reflection, and high-res na pala kanyang screen. So you can watch your favorite content dito on this tablet. And by the way, hindi lang siya pagnood, no? Pwede ka pang mag-create dito on this tablet. And I've been using this tablet for a few days already, and masasabi ko sa inyo, yung kanyang 10,000 mAh na battery, makunat. And yung kanyang 40 watts of fast charging, it charged quite fast. This is basically a laptop or a PC, lighter, thinner, and it's just even half the price of a iPad. Itong Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025 will be dropping in this August 29, 2025, and it comes together with a free keyboard, free M Pen, and a 500 peso na voucher. Add to cart now and abangan nyo ang full review ko dito sa tablet na ito. See you around.